Kiki, do you love me?
Hi, we're in lovely Malta, staying at the Alexandra Hotel. It's a great hotel situated in St Julian's, and we use booking.com. It's really close to the city, Valletta, which is absolutely breathtaking. Gorgeous views and really lovely city to go and explore. I definitely recommend. We're staying in St Julian's. This is Portonazzo, really, again, gorgeous location. And it's very, very, very close from where we're staying. There's also a little beach called St George's Bay. Paceville is also on our doorstep. This is where all the bars, nightlife, restaurants, there's a shopping mall, super clubs, everything. Really, really fun. So let's go and check out the hotel. We're staying in 401. The shower head needed a little bit of TLC, but it did the job. Soap, useless. Glad we brought our own. Overall bathroom had everything you needed. One little touch is there was a little cloth for women to do their makeup. So yeah, the main bedroom. The bed was comfortable. You had a little sort of a coffee tea area, always useful. Phone, never used it. Bed, like I said, was comfortable. There's places to put your clothing. Did come with a little fridge, which is also really useful, especially when you're in a warmer climate. TV. Wasn't a smart TV, but still a TV. And like I said, somewhere to put your drinks. The breakfast was included in the price we paid. It's a really nice big dining hall, lots of seating, very clean. As you can see, loads of like coffee and juice machines, but it is a buffet, so I'll let you guys check it out. If you are enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe. It really does help push the content and we appreciate it loads. So we're now in the function and bar area. So this area does come to life at night. You can get a drink, there's entertainment. I'm guessing you could probably hire it out as well. This is a inside heated pool with a jacuzzi. And we've been in here and it was absolutely lovely. There's also a little sauna as well. There's also a gym, so if you want to work out, there's an area for that. Got quite a lot of equipment, decent size, got everything you need. But the star of the show, rooftop pool, which was absolutely perfect. You could see views for miles. The pool was really spacious, loads of lounges. There was a little bar area which would be open during main season, but there's another little level to it, so loads of space. If you don't want to get in the pool, there's just seating and eating areas. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Really, really appreciated having a rooftop bar and a pool. So our overall rating for this hotel is 7.5 out of 10. It got a couple marks knocked off for the bathroom, the shower head and the sort of soap that came with it. And also there was a deposit which we weren't told about beforehand. But overall our stay was really good and I would recommend this hotel.
I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, baby. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, need you.
You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A very good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let